What is that? I don't know what that is. I'm not sure if it's the right place, but let's go check it out. No, it's not the right directions. Let's go around and see if we can get it in time to the children's railway station. That's what we have been looking for. This is the one. Let's go. What is this? 3 man plus cat. Katie cat. So a woman has 3 men. So see, the car is run down. What is that? I don't know what that is. I'm not sure if it's the right place, but let's go check it out. No, it's not the right directions. It's where I came from just now. So let's go around and see if we can get it in time to the children's railway station. Looks nice. This is the way to the children's railway. Oh yeah, we need to get down. So that's what we have been looking for. Okay, so this is the staircase that they were talking about. See? You will see this one. Then remember, it's right here. So this is one of the first things that we saw when we first came here. It's a toilet. So you will see this one. Then you continue on the right side to this directions. So I will show you. Toilet is right here, and you go to this directions straight. Then you will see a bench here, and you will see this statue. So you will see children's railway right here. Yeah, children's railway right here. Then from here, you will turn left to the bench. You will see the pool, the playground pool, and there's a small shops right here. Then on your right, you will see this one. So it's hidden. It's hidden like right in the bush, so it can be really hard to find. So that's the staircase that you want to see. You want to go. Okay. This is the one. Let's go. See, a lot of people have dogs, puppies over there. We have arrived. It's right here. Look at that. The tips. So it's pretty old building, children's railway since Soviet times, I believe so. Where we came from, the staircase. This is where it is. What is this? 3 man plus cat. Katie cat. So a woman has 3 men. What is this? Does anybody know what that is? Translate for me and comment down below. So this is a children's train, children's track, and children's tram behind. So some tourists told me that we could take some train ride, but some told me it's a joke. We suggest you not to take the train. So probably it's not working. Let's go check it out. there's a train coming. Right here. Looks like it's real train coming here. Behind me. The train ride. Wow. Everybody's taking a ride, so that's what they told me to take a ride. So it's not a joke, it's working. Oh, okay. Look at this bus, old Soviet bus. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any suggestions. We are at the Missak and the Pass North. Missak Manouchian Park. One glaze, one banana Nutella shake.
Okay, you should pay there.
Pay here. So they take the credit card, right?
What?
Did they take credit card?
Card?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, okay, good.
Looking for one, right? Two one.
That's my glaze. Cool. Thank you. Merci. You can put in a locker in this shopping mall if you like. It's free of charge. All you need to do is just put in your stuff. Just press the button. Press the button here and yes, that's all. Now we are at the Victory Park. Oh, the statues. What is that? The face, the hand. Now we are at Mother Armenia statue.